Today we're going to talk about active learning activities that you can do at home with your child. If you want to know what active learning is, check out my last video. But for now, let's get started. 1. Teacher. Yes. Have your child teach you a lesson. It helps develop communication skills, critical thinking skills, leadership, and so much more. Plus, they need to know the information before they teach it. 2. Scavenger hunts. They're a fun activity, but there's so much more. Take, for example, your child's trying to learn multiplication. So you give them a clue, 5 times 5. They have to solve that, look around the room, find something with 25 on it, and then they get the next clue, another multiplication problem. 3, let's put on a show. What I mean by that is, take a topic your child's really interested in. That could be dinosaurs. It could be fashion. It could be a historical figure. But what matters is they start to read about it. You talk to them about it, and you can encourage them to put on a show. Now, you could be in the skit to help them along, or you could be in the audience. But what's most important is they're developing such skills as creativity, communication, collaboration, and leadership. And it's so much fun. For more active learning activities that you can do with your child, check out our comments. And if you have some active learning activities, share them with us. Let's all learn together.